Aurora and welcome to this video. Today, please don't mind my greasy hair and my 10 years old fast fashion store shirt. Today I today I ju- Today I just got my new art supplies and I wanted to do a little unboxing video with you guys. So bear with me if you're interested in art supplies, fashion illustration and things like that. So first things first, a little backstory for this. I'm not an artist. I never considered myself an artist, and I probably never will consider myself an artist. And the last time I bought like real art supplies was at the beginning of the lockdown, literally 1 week before, when I got some actually pretty cheap art supplies just to get through all the stress that I was having right then. And then lockdown happened, and I was glad to have something like that to, put my creativity out. And before that, I didn't draw for at least 10 years, since elementary school, really, when we had, you know, the art class. And yeah, that's basically it. I was never taught professionally to draw or anything like that, but in the last year or so, I was attending a lot of fashion courses, and at the moment, I am doing a fashion course as well. It is a course about fashion illustrations. It is a local workshop here in my country, and it's taught by a local fashion designer, and it's really exciting. But she told us that we should, get our shit together, and that I can't just draw with a basic ball pen and with basic, literally IKEA pencils. So I had to, you know, find some real art supplies, and since I'm a student and I don't work at the moment, I had to ask my parents for that. So, I just want to take this opportunity and thank my parents for giving me this early Christmas present with art supplies so that I can finish my course successfully. Thank you. And now, let's see what I actually got. How much money I spent on this? I spent literally 40 euros on all of this. I spent weeks researching the internet and web shops and things like that to find something that is both quality and cheap, or at least, a balance of those two. And I found this store in Slovakia that is apparently really good, that people from my country actually buy a lot from, and I decided to try them out. So now we'll see if they rip me off or not. And also, I just want to say that they did a really good job with fast delivery, because I got this literally today and they sent it on a Wednesday. So it took them 2 days from one part of the Europe to the other. And I'm super grateful for that, especially because yesterday was a holiday and I thought that, this will perhaps come on Monday, maybe even next Wednesday. So there's that. I want to, acknowledge that. And also, this package is 3.5 kilos. That is a lot of art supplies, but I hope that now I have everything that I will ever need. I never done an unboxing video before because I stopped shopping before starting my YouTube channel, so there's that. But this isn't shopping like that. This is shopping for the art supplies. We need art supplies. We're stressed. Anyway, how does this thing open? I don't want to show you my address and things like that, so I have to work around it. Okay, mostly I got the sets for drawing, sets for coloring and things like that, because I wanted to get as many things as I can for as little of a price as I can, since artist supplies are super pricey and I'm not a professional, so it's kind of wasting supplies on someone who can draw really well. But I hope that by using some more professional tools, my drawings will actually become more professional. Let's hope so we'll see. Anyway, okay, so here is it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna take it all out and show you piece by piece and talk a little bit about it, and then I'm gonna show you, in a B-roll or something like that, because I have only one camera and it is my phone, so I have no idea how to do this professionally, but bear with me, please. First, we have a drawing set. It's 21 pieces of graphite pencils, some erasers, some, how do you say this, coal, some artistic coal, and some coal in pencil form as well. This is the most basic set I could get, with all the basic kinds of pencils, 4B, 4H, 2B, and things like that, B, 6B, etc. Because these pencils are the best according to my teacher at the fashion illustration course right now. So we have that. Then, oh, this is beautiful. Then we have a notebook for drawing. This is amazing. I'm gonna literally open it right now because I'm so curious. I usually don't have fancy notebooks. all of the fancy notebooks that I've got as a Christmas present or a birthday present or something like that. And the rest of my notebooks are literally, gifts from firms that my dad got 7 years ago for New Year's Eve or something like that. So I don't have anything to draw in. I use regular paper, printing paper. So I wanted to get myself something. This is a super high quality paper. It is super heavy. It is for both markers and watercolors and pastels and all, so I'm looking really forward to it. It actually wasn't super expensive for a notebook that has 80 papers in it. It was pretty affordable actually. So next we have what is this? Okay, so the next we have the hem lettering set. It says it's for calligraphy, but it's actually also for doing accents on fashion illustrations. So for example, when you're done with your drawing and you just need something to make it pop off, use these super thin markers. Oh my god, this looks horrible. They literally use duct tape to fit this all together. Horrible. So this is another set. I have to hurry because my phone will die out. So this is another set. Of course we have the palette. Then we have all colors. I'm super excited to try this out, and this is such a huge set with all the lovely colors. I'm in love with the greens and blues especially, but we'll see what we will come up with this. And then we have some brushes, to use the oil colors, because at this moment I have some horrible cheap ones that are literally pulling apart every time I draw with them. The last thing we have here is another set. It's huge, as you can see. So this is another set. It has literally everything. It has pencils, it has watercolors and pastels, and I'm super excited about it. I will show you in the B-roll what's in it actually, because I'm running out of time. Please, if you're someone who is into art supplies, into arts or anything like that, crafts and all that jazz, please let me know in the comments down below what kind of equipment that you use, and is it expensive for you to, do arts, because I think that there is actually a gatekeep on art supplies just for people who are professional in it, and those people who are professional in it have to have money for it, so it's a whole issue and I want to dig into it all. So please let me know, and also please subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in another video. Bye!